has water in it, and I'm going to heat the water. So I'm going to start by heating it for 5 seconds. So over here, um, I'm going to, whoops, let me start my program. I'm going to start it, hit clear. The temperature initially is at 19 degrees. I'm going to put 5 seconds on the timer and hit start. And this will microwave it for 5 seconds. And you can see the temperature went up to 22 degrees. So what we're going to do is we're going to record that data. The initial temperature was 19 degrees and the final temperature was 22 degrees. And I added energy. The microwave is 1,000 watts. So it adds 1,000 joules every second. And I did it for 5 seconds. So the energy added is going to be 5 seconds times 1,000 joules. I added 5,000 joules of energy. And then it's asking me if it wants to fill the formula down. You can go ahead and do that. So the question is, what is the change in temperature? So it went from 19 to 22. So the change in temperature is 3 degrees. Then what you're going to do is you're going to microwave it for 10 seconds. So back in the simulator, if you hit clear, it'll put some new water in there that's back at 19 degrees. And you can microwave it for 10 seconds. And hit start. And it'll microwave for 10 seconds. And you'll see the temperature go up. And after it gets to 10 seconds, now it's 25 degrees. So in my spreadsheet, I started at 19 again, and I went to 25 degrees. And you can figure out that is 6 degrees is the change in the temperature there. So you're going to keep adding more and more energy. You're going to microwave for 15 seconds, and then 20, and then 25, all the way up to 50 seconds. And each time, record the initial and final temperature, and then you can find the change in temperature. And then it is this that we are going to graph. The energy added goes on the x-axis, and the change in temperature goes on the y-axis, because that's the question. The question says, how does the temperature change depend on the amount of energy we add? So we graph the energy on the x-axis, the change in temperature on the y-axis, and we find a math model. When you find your math model, the variables you're going to use are right here. So we're going to use Q for the energy and delta T for the change in temperature. Okay? So that's how you do part A of the lab.